Hi friends, this is Press, and of course nandito na naman tayo guys para pag-usapan ano bang preferred nyo for home defense, shotgun or pistol. Hi guys, this is Press, and of course gun ban na ngayon at hindi tayo makapag-practice ng ating mga toys. So guys, share ko lang sa inyo guys, ano bang preferred nyo for home defense. So guys, meron nagsasabi mostly sa atin ang preferred talaga is a shotgun. Yes guys. Yes, what I have here is a Akar Karatai Torso 612 shotgun. Guys, very reliable, 5+1 round. And of course guys, pagka home defense na pag-uusapan, ito ang mostly preferred ng mga tao. Syempre, diba? Asa pa lang, intimidating na. And of course guys, one shot, ang dami ng pagdabi na niyang magagawa. So, pwede tayo mamili from different ammo. May slug, may back shot, may bird shot. Depende sa needs natin. And of course, meron din ako na anti-riot rounds, which is the rubber bullet. So, non-lethal siya. So, ang ganda niya. Yan guys. Very, very reliable. And of course guys, syempre, depende yan. Kung yung house nyo is very tight space, napakahirap din i-maneuver nito. So, mostly, ang ibang tao, prefer nila is a pistol. Yan. Yan guys. What I have here is the Glock 19X. Combination siya between Glock 19 slide and the Glock 17 frame. So, yung capacity niya maganda, and of course, may concealability siya. Concealability siya sa Glock 19 slide. So guys, yung iba mas prefer to guys. Syempre, simplicity lang. And of course, sa bahay lang naman tayo. So, napaka-reliable niya. Very simple. Pag niya, no? Just rock. Maliit din siya. Maliit din siya. So, pwede mo siyang maneuver. So, sa very tight spaces, guys. Yan. So, guys, yan. Yan, guys. And I have also here, guys. Yan. MHX Tactical Shotgun. Yan, guys. Ito naman, guys, may Picatinny rail siya. So, pwede kayo maglagay ng scope ng mga flashlight. And of course, yan. Ito siya. Yan, guys. Yan, one of my shotgun. So, guys, kayo, guys, tanungin ko kayo, guys, ano bang preferred nyo sa home defense? Is a pistol or a shotgun, guys? Comment naman kayo dyan, guys. Yun, guys, yun lang. Nag-share lang ako ng ano ko ngayon, ng ideas ko. So, guys, well, this is Press checking home defense option.